In today's tutorial, I'll be showing y'all how to do this bronzy summer makeup look. It's super simple. I don't wear any foundation in this look. It should take about 20 minutes at the most. It's super easy and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to start with just putting concealer over any blemishes that I may have. And right here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So after I apply that, I'm just going to spray some setting spray before I go in and blend that concealer out. And then I'm just going to go in with some BB cream. It's going to look crazy, okay? But trust me, at the end you will all see it. It will all come together. Okay, y'all, so with my BB cream, I am gonna blend that together with some iconic illuminating drops, and I'm just going in with my fingers, my hands, and I'm just rubbing that all over my face, as it is more of a tinted moisturizer. It's really light. It does have SPF in it, so it protects you from the skin, from the sun, but so yeah, you want to keep your skin protected, and you know it's hot, so you don't want to have all that foundation on. So I thought this was a good alternative, just for those hot summer days. Okay, so here I am going back in with some more concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer here. I'm just going over anywhere where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage over my blemishes. And then I'm just gonna apply that and then go over it with my Beauty Blender and a Real Techniques brush. Okay, so now that that's all blended out, I'm going in with my Tarte Shapetape concealer in a lighter shade, and I am going right underneath my eyes just to brighten up my eyes and cover up my dark circles a little bit. So I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to blend it out with my Beauty Blender and apply some Laura Mercier translucent powder on top. Alright, so now to set my whole face, I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Golden, and I'm just going in with a big fluffy brush and just basically setting my whole entire face. Okay, so for blush and bronzer, I'm just going in with a Morphe brush, and I'm using the Juvia's Place blush palette, the volume 2, and I'm just taking that brown shade and I'm just bronzing up my face. And for blush, I'm going to use the same palette and same brush, and I'm going to take the pink shade. I believe it's called Lena. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm going in with my Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive, and I'm just applying a lot, okay? A lot of that to the high points of my face, to my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. I also decided to apply it to my brow bone and my eyelids just to kind of, you know, get a little extra glow. I was having a little, you know, jam session, but I'm gonna apply my Morphe setting spray here and then go on to my faux freckles. I just decided to do this. I don't know, I thought it was cute, but I am just using my brow pencil in black and brown, and I'm just kind of making dots all over my face. Okay, so I go straight into brows. I'm using that same brow pencil by ColourPop, and this is not going to be super neat or anything. I just want my brows to look fluffy and full, so I'm just going to going in and filling them in a little bit. Alright, for lips, I'm going in with my NYX Natural Lip Liner, and I'm just applying that all around the perimeter of my lips, and then I'm going to go in with a secret ingredient. No, but I cannot announce this lip gloss just yet, but y'all wait for it because I got some heat coming for y'all, okay? Okay, so here I'm just going to go in and apply some L'Oreal mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I am not applying false lashes to this look today because it is a quick, simple makeup look, and I felt like I didn't need any false lashes. So, you know, anyone you want to be extra, that's fine. You know, go ahead and apply your lashes, girl. I'm not mad at you, okay? But I'm just going to do my mascara and then apply some highlight to my inner corner. I'm using the same Rodeo Drive highlight that I used for my for all over my face. And yeah, that'll be the completed look. I thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it this far, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me if you aren't subscribed already. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.